Hello ma'am, welcome to this video. So in this video, I will discuss with you our SiteKit Manager, where you can manage and check the website analytics, website SEO score, page speed, etc. So on the first section, you can see when you click the SiteKit option, you can see this page. So the first section, you can see find out how your audience is growing. This means this section is for analytics, Google Analytics. Our total user is 7 because we have started the after the 6th June. So 6 to 7 June we have 7 user, total 7 user for this website. And the location is United States, you can see Bangladesh and China. So first of all, you can see the United States score is 42.9%. Then the Bangladesh is 22 and 22.6% is China. So your location otherwise user of 3 user, you can see the 3 user. And if I check the device option, you can see the device is 4 user. So this is the desktop user, you can see the desktop user, and mobile user only 3. So this one is for Google Analytics, you can see the source for Google Analytics. And the second is Google Search Console, so that you can identify the total impression of this month, total click on this month, and unique visitor from search. That means if I search on Google only for the domain name, then enter, I will get your website address, the newresume.com. And if I search only for your name, I will get the same result. And here is the meaning of the unique visitor from Google search, the Google search. So you can control by clicking here the search console, or you can go here Google search console, then enter and go to this tab, then start now. And here the two user, you and me. So the performance is last 3 months, you can see last 3 months, the last 3 months of our total impression 1.1k, average 2.5% our total visitor, and some top query for our website, you can see career resume service, resume and career service. Here is some query. We need to use the keyword on our website, and the page, then country, you can see the United States, then Bangladesh, Indonesia, UK, Mexico, then device, the desktop user. So here the search console result, this one for our last 28 days, that means 1 month. And the next section for our Google Search Console, that means every query and every top keyword on our website, you can see the total impression is the career resume service. This is our keyword, 33%, 33 clicks, but 0 clicks. Impression is 33, but clicks is 0. And the page speed test is running right now. So in this way, you can see the total user, total visitor location, and content query, content keyword system. Then the speed test, you can see. The desktop, we need to improve. So thank you. I think you understand how to manage and how to check the website traffic, website source, and website SEO through this SiteKit Manager.